5, 9 and 11 were not served.
Private respondents ko suna ya nahi suna? The complainants before you.
Some were heard, but the following number 3, 4, 5, 9 and 11 were not even served.
इनके वकील तो थे, देखें 2 and 7 के भी थे, 8 के भी थे, 10 के भी थे, 12 के भी थे,
जी सर,
और 13 के भी थे.
अब वो कोई सर्विस अवॉइड कर रहा है, इलेक्शन ही खत्म हो जाए.
3, 4, 5, 9, 11 के नहीं थे, but
नहीं वो बात मेरे ख्याल में ज्यादा इलेक्शन मैटर्स में जरा लचक रखना चाहिए. अगर हम सबके सर्विस को जान से अवॉइड करेगा कि इलेक्शन गुजर जाए फिर मैं सर्विस करूंगा.
My lord, the last submission relates to the technical objection raised. My lord, when your lordship goes back all the way up to the case of Javed Hashmi, your lordship will see it is reported as PLD 1989 Supreme Court.
PLD 1989
89 Supreme Court, page 396. This is just to show your lordship the title of the parties.
ये आपकी बुकलेट में नहीं है ना?
Sir,
ये बुकलेट
में नहीं है sir.
जी इसमें क्या
Because this was a preliminary objection raised. Now your lordship may just look at the title. Commission of Pakistan was the petitioner.
तो आप कह रहे हैं कि ये ग्राउंड नहीं ले सकते हैं.
That is the submission, my lord.
How do you distinguish those two cases that learned senior counsel has cited?
My lord, in neither of those cases relate to the election commission. To start with, I would also seek your lordship's leave to place on record a list of 35 cases where your lordships are dealing with appeals filed by election commission. And your lordship may already also consider one point.
Please give a list to Mr. Khan Saab. Khan Saab को भी दीजिए. जी.
And your
Pending तो फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा ना.
नहीं सर,
फिर भी आ सकता है.
disposed of की list. And your lordship may also see your lordship's judgment on 22nd.
इससे कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. Decided.
जी सर, 2nd of January.
Disposed of, I don't know what it means. It could be dismissed for non-prosecution.
सर ये डिसाइडेड थे, ये अभी जो मोस्ट रिसेंट है ये 2 जनवरी 2024 का है बाय दिस वेरी बेंच.
देखिए बुनियादी सी बात है. I don't know. If you can be sued, so can you sue. I mean, ये तो बड़ा अजीब सा होगा ना. You can be sued, suffer the consequences, and you can't even appeal.
And the second,
I don't know. It's not.
the second
doesn't sound fair.
The second submission would be.
या तो कहेंगे you can't be sued. फिर तो वो उनको मसला खड़ा हो जाएगा. You can't file a writ against ECB.
My lord, the reason why I pointed out federation and all that was that when your lordship looked at the array of parties on page 31, the only official party is the election commission. If I cannot sue, then a judgment which will relate to
कमीशन जावेद हाशमी के केस में इलेक्शन कमीशन ने चैलेंज किया था लाहौर हाई कोर्ट मुल्तान बेंच का जजमेंट जो रिट पिटीशन में फाइल हुआ.
जी सर.
रिट पिटीशन में
My lord, and it stands to reason because in this case, if your lordship examines page 31, I am the only official respondent who is there. If I can't challenge it, then there can be no challenge, and the Peshawar High Court judgment will have finality, and your lordships will have no power under 185.
Now, we could probably carve out an exception, which I don't think would be applicable, would be if an allegation of a personal nature is made against a particular member or members of the Election Commission of Pakistan. That you as election commission cannot challenge it, that particular member, suppose a writ of quo warranto where you can't hold office. So naturally it doesn't affect the election commission of Pakistan and that member may challenge it, but not the election commission. But I mean, I don't know, does it not stand to reason if you can be sued, so
Yes,
can you sue?
That is our submission. That is our submission, and the
And the two cited judgments were dealing with statutory bodies.
yes.
So I don't know how persuasive they are. Anyways, we keep our mind open.
This is an electoral body which makes all these decisions and
Got it. Anything else?
That's all.